Does economics have to be confined to the classroom, or only in textbooks? Neither. The study of economics extends beyond classrooms and textbooks. It also exists in our daily lives as well as in the school cafeteria. And the state supports Xizang. It fuels economic growth. It warms people's life. Infrastructure upgrades, industries thrive fast. Xizang steps forward steadily. Growth is not on paper, it's in Xizang's daily life, all thanks to national support. Low-altitude economy is gaining great popularity these days. Learn economy in class. Watch the sky after class. DJI drones carry not just flying dreams, but the warmth of life in low-altitude economy. This is growth and economy we learn on campus. We don't have to learn economy only from textbooks. At the campus grassland festival, store operations and crowd consumption are microeconomy. Just like low-altitude economy empowers life with high tech, small sense hold the big logic of economic operation. Warm festival vibe, rising low-altitude wind. This is economy around us. That's all.